Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this garden pump that we got sent out for review. And let me tell you that it's really useful and very amazing. This is the brand, and I'm going to show you how you can use it and what it has on the box. Okay, so this is the pump, this is the instructions, and it comes with these adapters and a thread seal tape and this little lid, and this is how it looks, the pump. So it includes the pump, this hose, and some adapters and the sealing tape and the manual instructions. Now let's just start testing it and see how it works. Okay, let's go outside. So this is how you will be putting the pump. As I mentioned before, it comes with some adapters and this sealing tape, so you will be choosing the right adapter for your hose, so you can use your hose or the sprinklers on the top part. And this is what we are going to be using on the top part, and we are going to be putting some sealing tape here in both of them. The one that it comes with the pump, you will be putting it on the side. And to make it work, you have to fill these with through this this little hole. Let's just add these was included on the pump, so let's just put it a little bit and close it very well, tightened very well. So now you will be attaching it to here, and then you can add the hose. Just make sure that everything is very well tightened. Now let's just add the water now. This was not included. And of course, once that it's filled out, it will start dropping, so you will know. So now let's close everything and tighten everything. This is our hose, and this is the other side of the hose that was included, and it has a filter on the other end, so it won't allow to bring any stone or any dirt that it can be bring out through here. So let's just put this was our rain water that we collected. We had it here, so let's just start using it to water our plants right here. And as you can see, it's been really hot, so our grass is a little bit dry. But let's just use these hose and see how it works. It will start pulling up all the water, and you will feel the pressure that it has, and it will start working. Just be patient a few seconds and it will start pumping all the water. It has very good pressure. And here is how you will be seeing working it. It is a little bit noisy, so that's the only thing that I can kind of complain, but really it is really good. I mean, it was pulling all the water from this bucket that we had collected, and the pressure is really amazing. You can use these for emptying your pools as well. I'm showing you how everything is connected, and this is how we are putting it together. It is really small, however it's really heavy, and this is how we are watering our plants with this reusable water from the rain.